Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you 4 different styles of alcohol ink cards. Actually, I will show you how to create different backgrounds using alcohol ink. They are looking super gorgeous. So let's get started. For this, I am taking this Yupo paper which is specially made for alcohol ink technique, and this measures approximate 15 by 12 centimeters. You will get A4 size sheets for this. And here I am taking the rubbing alcohol, or you can also use alcohol based sanitizers. So I am just spraying it on Yupo paper first, and then I will start adding some designs using alcohol inks in diagonal manner. So here I am using red and yellow one. And see how beautifully it is getting spread using your alcohol base. Now in between red stripes I am adding some yellow color, and this is the magic of alcohol inks. It blends very well without any more efforts. And now here I am using this manual pumping machine which blows air, and I'm just adding some air on the design so that the color will get merged with each other. You can also use hair dryer, but hair dryer is little difficult to control, so it's very easy to use this handy thing. Now wherever required, I'm adding little more ink in yellow and red color. Today I am showing you the backgrounds technique for card making or envelope making, but you can also use alcohol inks for your resin work. Yes, it blends very well with alcohol. And also you can use these inks on acrylic base or acrylic coasters. So anything which is non-porous is best for the alcohol ink. So the first pattern is done, allow it to dry. Now I'm starting with the second pattern, and again I'm taking the same size base, and first I'm applying the alcohol blending solution, which also works like rubbing alcohol, but it is little thick in consistency. So after applying it on the base, I am adding purple and blue shade here and there, and see how beautifully the circle is spreading and taking its own shape. And I'm just loving this process, very satisfying process. So I'm just adding some dots of blue and purple inks here and there. Then again blowing some air to mix the colors. I'm willing to fill this whole paper using these shades. So in between I'm adding some rubbing alcohol spray, and then I will add some more color. So this is also done, allow it to dry completely. Now my base is completely dried, so I just took one square sheet out of this. I'm adding some talcum powder on top of this because I don't want any sticky base before doing the stencil work. Now just rubbing the excess powder using tissue paper, and then I'm taking this beautiful stencil, and I'm going to take little sticky glue and apply it over the stencil using brush. This is a special glue which is meant for foiling or gold glidding. So I am today doing the glitter pouring technique. So for that also this glue is good. Now I have allowed the glue to set for some time, and then I am just pouring little shimmer powder or glitter powder on top of this. Just tap the excess powder and rub the powder over the design using fingers. So the excess powder will get out and the design will catch the appropriate powder. And can you see the beautiful stencil design has been printed in the form of glitter, and it's looking super gorgeous and real, believe me. Now I'm proceeding to the third technique. So again I'm adding some blending solution of alcohol here and there, and then I will use again the red and yellow combination just like we did before. Allow it to dry. Then it's completely dried and I am going to do some stencil work using chalk paint. Yes, you can use chalk paint as well on the alcohol inks. So just taking black color chalk paint and applying the color on the stencil using dry brush technique. Don't take water, just take little color and spread it all over the stencil. You can also use stencil brush. I am here using flat brush which is very old. Don't use your painting brush for this purpose because the stencil technique will spoil your brush. So always keep one separate brush for your stencil technique. So just cover the whole area. Then slowly remove the stencil and can you see the beautiful design has been printed to the base. In the same way I am showing you another technique. This is a beautiful stencil in filigree design and I am using archival black ink. Since archivals are permanent, so it will also work on Yupo paper. So using the blending brush or blending foam, I am just applying the ink over my stencil. Just remove the stencil and can you see the subtle background of stencil. This is not very prominent but it will give a very nice subtle soft look. Now I'm taking the another design. Here I have used green, light green and golden color and added the ink diagonally on the paper and just did the same procedure as we did before. So I have skipped that part and now I'm going to stamp some scroll design on this. So here I am showing you the stamping technique on alcohol inks. So just taking the VersaFine permanent ink and stamping this beautiful design. You can use any kind of stamp which you have. I am using clear stamp. Even you can draw anything or doodle it using permanent markers. So this is done. and it's looking super gorgeous. So all these 4 designs are done, which I have shown you. The first one is using chalk paint and archivaling. Then this one I have used the stencil with glitter. This one is using stamp, and here I have added the ink in diagonal manner. So all 4 patterns are done. Now I will make quick cards using these papers. So here I have created my first card using the purple blue design. I had just added the golden border around the paper and took pink base and added this Hardik Abhinandan die cut. Now for the next one, I have just added the punch border on both the sides using gold paper, added this butterfly cutout and miss you sentiment. Then for the next one, I have just added the simple sentiment happy birthday, this cute butterfly cutout, and added some diagonal golden strips on back side just to enhance the beauty of card. And for the last one, I have just cut the stripe of my filigree design, added 2 golden strips on both the sides, and the sentiments stay blessed. In this way you can create your own different techniques. So I just love using these alcohol inks and I have enjoyed my work thoroughly. Hope you enjoyed as well. So please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.